Hi, greetings of the day. I am Dr. Samarjit Patnaik. I am a senior consultant orthopedic surgeon at Apollo Hospitals, Bhubaneswar. So it's been such with me since 2017. I have gotten malignancy and I have been nursing that. And I have been nursing that and been treating for that from 2017. And I have been on my regular follow-ups, and it's during one of my regular routine follow-ups, just because before of this time of this COVID times, I had been in Chennai, and it was decided for me by my doctors to consider for a very high-end treatment which is called as proton therapy. And fortunately, that's the treatment which is available at Apollo Hospitals, Chennai. And in the entire East and Southeast Asia, I think this is the only center which we have this high-end Apollo Proton Therapy Center. And being a candidate for the Apollo Proton Therapy, and during these difficult times, I contacted Dr. Jalali, and I was immediately received with a lot of sort of warmth and a lot of involvement from the team out here, and I was put across to Dr. Ashwati, and then the treatment started immediately. I mean, it just had to be a few hours in which I was asked to come down, and it was a very professional environment, very warm environment, and they took care of all the requirements which I needed to have from my clinical side. And at the same time, they were also very keen on whatever treatment I had already received. So it's basically like when it's like difficult problems one has, and we have to take difficult decisions in life, and especially during this difficult times, you have to rely on people who have a lot of expertise, a lot of experience, and who believe in evidence-based treatment and evidence-based medicine. Now, what can be a better center in this country from the Apollo group of hospitals? And when we have this high-end proton and therapy center, I mean, I think I was blessed to be here on the right time and with the right kind of people. And the environment out here is absolutely sort of, it's like any international center for treatment, and I was amazed to see the amount of involvement and infrastructure which has gone into building of this center. And not only that, because of these difficult times, there's a system out here. When we call about evidence-based, now we are very concerned about a system, whether that's in place or not. Now, when it's a difficult time, when I tell, it's not that every center in this country is safe to go there as a patient, neither the doctors feel that safe to treat their patients, so which is not the case here. Because you can see, this is, I'm a doctor at Apollo Bhubaneswar, but still when I can't get into this hospital, a screening is done out here. And it's a very methodical way where we are segregated to a place, and we are taken care of, and all this social distancing and whatever precautions we should take are taken. And that's what makes us feel very safe every day when we come. And it's such a huge infrastructure. And everybody can easily maintain a distance of about 1 to 3 meters when they sit across each other. And it's a small, even the cafeteria, they have made it in such a way, and because of this COVID times, now to maintain the social distancing, they have really improvised on the number of seats, chairs there, the number of tables there. So that's how safe it is, it's, as a patient you find it to be safe. And as a treating doctor, you find your patients to be safe. That's most important during these difficult times. So I can always, and the other part is that they have a huge infrastructure in terms of keeping in patients. So we do not have to be a patient there. There are a lot of guest rooms, and where you can come and avail those guest rooms. So you're basically there as an inpatient, and you don't have to go out and mix with the general public. And whereas if you have families and friends at Chennai, you can always stay with them. And they take utmost care, right from the police, the traffics, and everything is taken care of. So it's like just another day at Apollo Proton Therapy Center, and I should think, and I really feel that I'm blessed to be here at the right time, with the right kind of people, and otherwise maybe my malignancy would have got upstaged. And I was being a doctor, being a surgeon, that's the last thing which I expect out of my malignancy. And that's what important. The timely treatment is very, very important whenever somebody has these difficult problems in their life. So that's my entire gratitude, this entire team out here and the Apollo Group of Hospitals, the chairman, right from chairman to the CEO of this hospital. And Dr. Jalali is amazing, amazing amount of positivity and energy he has, and he's just amazing. And Dr. Ashwati, she's also an amazing doctor and very sort of forthcoming and sort of very pragmatic and very rational, very ethical, and at the same time we feel safe as a patient out here. We feel safe, we feel we are at home. So that's what I would like to say about Apollo Proton Therapy Center. Thank you.